Hello, we are starting with a new chapter, Media Management, Design and Production. Now, what is the importance of media? Media plays a significant role in shaping present day society. All the people like to see TV, read newspaper, magazines. It influences the outfits, hairstyles, beliefs, value, traditions of common people in big cities. For any item to be successfully introduced among people, it has to be planned, designed, produced. Uh, this is called media management. Next, what is media? The term used for all types of print, broadcast, out of home to deliver information. It can be understood in two contexts: media as an end product or campaign design, media as a channel. Next, what do you mean by media planning? It is a process of determining the most cost-effective and influential mix of media. The four criteria that a media planner can consider is reach, frequency, continuity, cost. Cost is also an important factor. Example, to advertise garments, the shop owner can circulate leaflets or put a big banner at chosen spots or use a TV commercials. This all depends upon the budget and its reach. What are the essential points which have to be kept in mind while doing media planning? Let's see these essential points. Identification of problem means designing the research plan and collecting the data. Next, identify medium effectiveness. Coverage audience measurement means broadcast media has more impact on audience than a print media. Distribution and coverage of media. Viewership of medium. Pass along rate means number of people who read the print medium in addition to actual buyers. Rating points means percentage of communication of average area. Example, percentage of people listening to FM 91.7 at particular time. Next is pricing factor, the cost of purchasing media at a given time. This depends on socio-cultural background lifestyle. Example, farmers of Bihar will prefer radio over the newspaper. Then format of medium means talk shows, radio, music, vocal, classical, listeners or viewers or readers. Next, buying behavior. Next, we talk about media evaluation. There are two types of feedback: immediate feedback and delayed feedback. Immediate feedback means asking questions, queries to get more information after the message is launched. Delayed feedback means when the response is given later on. Example, advertisements impact is seen when the consumer purchases the product. So let's compare the newspaper, magazine, television, radio, internet. Their advantages and disadvantages. Newspaper. Low production cost. Detailed information is given. Habit of readers depends. Loyalty of reader depends. For literate customer, newspaper is there. It is short lead time, high frequency, daily and weekly. For disadvantages, poor reproduction, especially the color. Decreasing the readership, covers mass audience. Next, magazine. Selective audience are there. High quality. Reproduction is there. Long life is there. Disadvantage, costly production, low frequency, maybe the weekly, monthly or quarterly. Long reading time and low mass reach. Next is television. High impact, local and national international audiences are there and varied channels are there. Disadvantage, high production cost, and broad audiences. Radio. Selective audience, low cost production, all India and common radio is there. Low attention span, messages are short lived. These are the disadvantages. Then we talk about internet. For literate audience, it can be personalized, it is of low cost, it can be interactive, mass audience reach is there. Disadvantage, cluttering happens very often, limited reach due to the literate audience, limited creative options are there. With this we have finished the chapter. Take good care of yourself. We'll meet with the next chapter.